I owe Jada a full pen and paper because London bed was so scorching. I actually only pen and papered half of it and I had to stop and hold my head like this and was like, fuck! You know what I mean? Wait now. First of all, I want to thank these two women. I want to thank them for putting beer excitement back into dancehall, for kicking off this 2024 with a blast. This will not be forgotten. This is one for the books. I'm telling you that right now. When you're in the middle of history being made, you usually don't even recognize it until the great thing is done. See? With that said, cokehead, prostitution, STD, pum eating, married for green card. Yo, what time Lisa? What my hat then? Bomba cloud. War pot get bubbly. Circle them suddenly. Pen and paper we come with. Scene. Hey, listen, man. No long talking. You might hear my chair squeaking through all this, but take the chair squeaking. And I love my shirt. It's a bomba clot. Anyhow, here we are in studio. Have a look around. This is how I do all my recording and stuff, right? The big bright light them up on me and all this. And that we come to talk about. Stefflon Don say that. Jada Kingdom went on IG and said, is who you talk? You better be direct. No, I want to clarify. Especially the box part there. Who she talk? Stefflon Don go refix that and come back with a proper that this time. Not a freestyle but a song. That. I call it the official refix. That was the third move in all this. Calling Jada in it directly and telling her, say, I'm not afraid of you. Who is you? Right? Jada Kingdom say, alright. And that you say, boom. She drop Jada Kingdom, London bed. Tear off half of Stefflon Don's face. Man down. That was what was going on. It was that rough. Yes, it was solid. Me not lie. We can't take that away, right? London bed, tear up the place. Lick her hard with it. But she never dead though. I don't know why some people was trying to end the whole thing and talk about she can't respond, the war done. And that's a clash thing, my girl. It's a big heavy song drop with London bed. But that was that. And because of that, underestimate Stefflon Don scene, and Steffi come back and say, boom, bang, bang, dead Gyal Walking. Dead Gyal Walking is one of them that we're clip load up and she just meticulously hitting like an infantry soldier from many different unseen angles, just in like a sniper. Dead Gyal Walking, scorched earth, cokehead, prostitution, STD, pum eating, married for green card. Bag of something happening in that one there. Stefflon Don, matter of fact. That Gyal Walking really put Twinkle in our feelings. I ain't lying. And Twinkle come back this morning now. Me couldn't even sleep. Out of my bed, me jump up 5 o'clock this morning and I realized that the song released like 5 hours ago. I'm like 5 hours behind. See, Jada Kingdom drops Steff Lazarus. Dead Gyal Walking, Steff Lazarus. Dead, raised. Remember, Steff Lazarus. So Lazarus, for those of you who don't know, if you look in your Bible, it's important to remember that there were 2 Lazaruses in the Bible. Lazarus in the Bible, you have one of them that was a beggar and he actually had leprosy, right? And then you had another one that was the friend of Jesus Christ. The friend of Jesus Christ, Lazarus, are the one I think, or she's using them interchangeably. It get deep enough. War pot get bubbly. So check it. I think she's using them interchangeably because Lazarus, the one where the Jesus friend, him dead. Jesus was on his way to go see the homie and the homie dropped dead before Jesus could have get there. The homie was sick and he was waiting for his virgin Jesus to come heal him. Jesus never make it in time, so Lazarus dead, right? Him sister them get vexed now and say, how you fi make your homie dead like that? My brother dead and you are him bestie, him friend, and you never come heal him. See? And then boom, Jesus come and say, roll away the stone. And say, come forth Lazarus, and Lazarus get up and walk. That is the reason why you hear Jada Kingdom start Steff Lazarus by saying, title of this one, Steff Lazarus. Bomba clot. Not Stefflon Don, Steff Lazarus. The icon is 2 tombstones with 2 crosses, tombstones on each side of Stefflon Don's head, face buried right there so. Mouth are rotten off, I guess that's like the leprosy, right? Or our mouth bust up, flesh a decay, faces scarred up, 2 black eye, she'll get beat up in the war. It look like she dead or somebody has raised her back from the dead. She is in the graveyard. You understand? That's the icon. Just pay attention to the whole of this. See? And then Jada, hashtag London bed, hashtag twinkle, twinkle a beat. Verse 1. Na 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 na, na 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 na, hey hey hey, goodbye. If you know anything about sports, when you're done beat the next team, that is how you send them home. Na 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 na, hey hey hey, goodbye. So Twinkle says, she raise up from the dead again. May I send her goodbye again, right? You must name Steff Lazarus, rise from the dead. And give me chat. How this possible? You see it? She rise from the dead and give me chat. How this possible? Well, it might be possible in the name of Jesus Christ because Jesus was the friend of Lazarus and Jesus came and raised his brethren Lazarus. But we're not going to get into all that. These are the lyrics. You must name Steff Lazarus. Rise from the dead and give me chat. How this possible? Who put you in a field? Who put you in a midfield when them know say you can't tackle? Yeah. Who put you in a midfield? Now, this is a football talk, listen up. And for those of us who live in the US, we ain't talking US football, we're talking about soccer. This is a football talk. A midfielder, African tackle and kickball and do certain things in a midfield. So who put you in a midfield when them know say you can't tackle? This is what she says, right? What you know about war, pussy? Come here, let me gather you. Gather you is self-explanatory. When the girl them say let me gather you, it mean them are gonna just tell you all kind of something about yourself right now. You know them neck talk and them facial expression and me a man and some me talk, but me just try to tell you now. Alright, so the world don't know what you and your family overseas are do. First accusation. The world don't know what your family and you overseas are do. You know, there's a little rumor out there that they're overseas selling coke and these kind of things, as a matter of fact. But I'm not going there. Jada put it in her song. The world don't know what you and your family overseas are do. You sacrifice your daddy. Should I sacrifice your brother too? Bomba clot. That's low. Oh, hit in the nuts. Sacrifice your daddy. You should sacrifice your brother too. As far as I've learned, Stefflon Don's dad passed away a couple of years ago, right? Right. And then, boom, she put this in her song that she sacrificed her dad. Not that he died by accident. Not that he died because gunman killed him. Not that he died by sickness. He died because you sacrifice him for the fame you want to have. You should have sacrificed your brother too. Remember on her last song, she talked about Stefflon Don's brother. And we went to go find out who he was, right? And find out, say, he was in some little pedophile something. Not saying it is factual. Or, well, it is factual, but not saying that he was found guilty because he wasn't, right? But at the same time, she's maintaining that your brother is a rash pedophile and him for dead. So you sacrifice your father, she has sacrificed your brother. She's doubling down. She says she has sacrificed your brother too, right? Stop trying to pick up badness and go read your little son a book. She does have a little son, right? Stop trying to pick up badness, go read your little son a book. Man turn you in a puppy show. That is not a good look. In other words then, man have you running around here wanting to fight people acting like you're a friggin' fool, right? It's not a good look. That's what we call puppy show in Jamaica, for those of you who don't know. So she's saying basically it's because Burna Boy turned Stefflon Don in a crazy woman, have her run around here, say all kind of thing and thing. That's not a good look. Stop fool yourself. From me respond, your foot get broke. Don't size up. You're the only girl me here say, give a free fuck. Damn. I have a beef with that though, right? Cause she had double down upon the good pussy for sell something and free fuck is rape kind of thing. And me not really too side with that one there still, you know what I'm saying? Enough woman out there give a free fuck and nothing wrong with the free fuck. Them run free fuck, we run it back. Hood for pum pum, even exchange. Not true? True talk, right? But if you want to sell the front of your business but just admit to your prostitution, you do. Anyway, me not going to hold that against her right now still cause war this name and anything goes. All is fair in love and war. That is how it goes. So she said, stop fool yourself from a respond. Your foot get broke. That's London bed. And it did. That London bed was fucking scorching. Don't size up. You are the only girl me here say, give a free fuck. MASICKA and Tory Lanez coming at your mouth. Bumbo clot. Me have to go look up a little bit on this and see what was the relationship. Drake never give you the song, but you give him a good suck. God have mercy. A be a man name call up in a this, my friend. And in any song, you know? MASICKA, Tory Lanez, Drake for them name get called. Look like the whole of them get piece of Stefflon Don. You is not no gangster, let's be realistic. Anyway, me buck you, me I go deal with you wicked. Take the whole day for drop a song. And me not impressed. She responded in record time. She never take the whole day for drop a song. And by the way, that is the limit. It's a 24-hour period turnaround. So if she take a day, it's okay. Me not like them people that will take all 1 week for respond to the war. So Stefflon Don is still pretty much on point with her response. It's precise. Them a fire hard right now. Hold on. When you did young, you fuck your uncle. That a incest. Holy shit. I gotta go look into this. How young is the question me I ask? Because you know, up to a certain age, that's coercion, molestation, all that. And I would hate to know that you're using that. But then again, the war get dirty and ugly now. Not true? Because she just tell the girl, say she sacrificed her father, who is dead, speaking on the dead, and saying that you should have sacrificed your brother too. So now she tell her, say, yeah, when you did young, you fuck your uncle. And that is incest. And that is incest. You can keep the drugs for yourself. And princess, because you say your family sell coke. So now it makes sense. And it makes sense now, right? Very interesting. Because Stefflon Don did say, remember when my brother send the coke, you mix it with the molly and a little bit of soda. So yeah. So and right here, Jada is saying, me no want no coke. You can keep the coke. Keep the drugs for you, your family. And that to know over there do. That's y'all's thing. Right now it makes sense. Right? You just expose yourself because she did come and say her brother sent the coke. So you expose yourself, but you are look clout. If you are go watch my pussy, know what you are talk about. The boy was never 17, miss shit him out. So Stefflon Don did say you make a 17-year-old breed you, right? And Jada is answering. She answer, you know. She a fire back and answer every single thing. She's answering. She said the boy was never 17, miss shit him out. And if you are going to watch my pussy, at least know what you are talking about. I get it. The world is convinced that that pum pum that did whole Burna Boy for a second. See? So now Stefflon Don is overly concerned about the glamity where Jada a carry. Because he did wrap up her man for a minute. Right? I'll buy Birkin and fly out pan jet and these kind of things. So, she's saying, if you're going to watch my pussy, at least get the story straight, right? Your brother breed a 14-year-old girl and you bail him out. When you go give our mother hush money, John Crow, you bail out your brother from breeding a 14-year-old girl. I don't know how true that is. What I do know is I did my research and look into the whole situation with the pedophile, something with him. And the young lady who was involved with the text message them come out, it was a 14-year-old girl. And I did see the text message, and there is a YouTuber from London who does very credible work. And then break down everything and even put all the text messages and everything out there for everybody to see. So there was a text message. I don't know if the text message was fabricated. That is the story they're coming with now. But the text message did look kind of inappropriate, you know what I'm saying? It was like a big man asked a young girl, a 14-year-old, so who you with now? You got, she asked him or him asked her, like, you got somebody? And the next person is like, nah man, I ain't got nobody right now. And the person was like, well, that's good for me still, yeah? And like, yeah, come I want you for myself and these kind of things. Anyhow, Jada say your brother breed a 14-year-old, that is different from texting. Your brother breed a 14-year-old and you bail him out. When you go give our mother hush money, John Crow, you buy out the case. I ain't gonna lie. I did listen to the mom's voice note and thing, or the message that she wrote. I listened to the voice note from the nephew that was speaking to Stefflon Don, but I read the letter from the mother, and the mother, boy, I don't know a star. It kind of seemed like, it reminded me of one situation there at Jamaica still, which I spoke about when I covered the situation, you know what I'm saying? It was a pastor out of Mobay, Jamaica, and his wife, and a little girl, and the mom sent the little girl to go up to the church to go do some work when internet wasn't about the place, and the little girl went up there to go use the church internet. The pastor ended up raping her. The little girl, well, come back and tell everybody, right? They went and told the police, and then it looked like the pastor must have got to the mom and paid her off. So now the mom went and told the little girl, say, yo, I need you to change your story and tell the police them say you was lying in the first place, right? And the little girl said, I'm not changing my story. The man raped me for real, and I'm telling, right? So now they can't find the little girl to bring her to court every time they go to court. This situation with Stefflon Don, brother, still, it kind of remind me of that situation there. Not saying guilty or innocent, I'm just saying it look kind of fishy over there. Then you go give our mother hush money, John Crow. All me know is my family are no arms house. Arms house, for those of you who don't know, it means that your family keep up beer fuckery and foolishness. Yes, we might be poor, but we are no arms house. We don't keep up them things there. Me tell you, you a baby. You run go find girl go team up with. This is crazy. Me no take coke. Stink pussy girl, you feisty. So, there you go. I said I want Jada to answer me and tell me, Jada, are you on coke? Do you even dabble? A one line every now and then anything. A little taste, nothing. She plainly said, me no take coke. Stink pussy girl, you feisty. She went on to say, it take an African man for you start push bravery. Stop pose for the gram. You look sad like, she said, stop pose for the gram. You look sad like, meet me upon the battlefield, shoot or die. Say you a top girl and you a dry cry. My pussy stay upon your mind, and that's why. Stop act for the gram. You look fool like. Down upon the battlefield, shoot or die. You and the batch body doll, two bad mind. I wonder who is the batch body doll. Somebody please tell me in the comment section below who the hell the batch body doll is. I know Asian doll recently released a statement that said she had to leave Jada Kingdom's company because Jada Kingdom is on them drugs heavy. Like she real heavy with the drugs, right? And now is multiple people saying the same thing. So I don't know if she a call batch body doll or is somebody else out there that's parring with Stefflon Don whose body is botched up, right? You and the batch body doll two bad mind. Me can defend myself. What you feel like? May the baddest win. Me are the last one I stand. You a light work. You are quick, slam bomb. Try no. Me no ramp. I'm a gun, don't fucking jam. Stop call party name. Relax yourself before me reach London. Bumbleclot, then I way over London, you go fight girl, my girl. So it look like party I have you go on and wait to no true Jada. Ah! Find your house and burn it down, she said. Remember, you know, she shoot up the cooling on before, you know. Stefflon Don reply and say, shoot up which cooling on? The killer them in the back will make the Uzi bang. You understand? Yo. It's hot right now, you know. Find your house and burn it down. The girl said, don't make me reach London. Stop call up party name and don't make me reach London. She talking about Patricia Fontaine, Megan Thee Stallion ex, who Jada Kingdom is now dating publicly. Find your house and burn it down. That dirty bitch must be dumb. I don't give a fuck no more. If you not stop, me not done. This me want hear. That means that she in it invested for the long run. Let me tell you something. Jada dropped a video and song the other day that has nothing to do with war. Right when this war kick off with Stefflon Don. And this war take the momentum right out of the project where Jada dropped. Because if you look at the numbers that the war song them a do, compared to the numbers that Jada actual music video did, you will realize that this is doing way better. So Jada better turn up which part it there and fight and defend that. I saw dancehall go. They made the best one win. I'm glad she said that. I don't give a fuck no more. If you not stop, me not done. That means we can't expect any rash thing from now on, you know. Remember, you know, all is fear in love and war. I don't want to hear no blood clot crying around here. Wait now. She said, him up did warn you. Yes, now you get the right one. The whole generation. Your mama are the next one. Tell her left young boy, make him fuck the young girl them. I use your daughter money, mind man. Hear that? she run go fuck Beanie Man. That kind of hearsay. What? So, wait there. When Jada said she gonna gather up everybody, she mean gather up the whole family, you know, the whole blood clot family get gather up, you know, because she moved from Stefflon Don gone to her mama now, you know. So apparently her mom is out here fucking young boys and she's telling her, your old ass, leave them young boys alone, man. Let them fuck the young girls. Your daddy I use Stefflon Don money and mine young boy. Matter of fact, she even got fuck Beanie Man. And now Beanie Man just get engaged. Beanie Man fiance hearing this right now, looking at him like, this better be a fucking joke. Why is your name being called in this? You know what I'm saying? She had dash pussy from she have you in her belly. Like it's a family thing. You breed from you are 15. Now we done check the stats already. I think she breed from she was 17, but I think she actually came on and said it was 16. The numbers are confusing. I don't know how true that is. Focus by yourself. And what the fuck you are with me? Make you never talk to the rapper boy them. Make you never talk. Say are you the rapper boy them battery. Battery? You already know what battery mean. It mean more than one man fuck same girl at the same time. Seeing run a train pan her, if you will. So she's accusing her of that. Who them the pan the sound? None of you can beat me. Stop pose for the gram. You look sad like meet me pan the battlefield. Shoot or die. Say you a top girl and you a dry cry. But pussy stay upon your mind. And that's why. Stop act for the gram. You look fool like. Meet me upon the battlefield. Shoot or die. You are the well on there. She said you and the batch body doll too bad mind. Me can defend myself. Right? This is the chorus, so I go repeat. What you feel like. Me not have to sit down with no girl and plan. Me a blood clot done. I'm in a fuck Batman. She answered every single thing that was thrown at her. Remember Stefflon Don said she stopped Jada Kingdom come around her because she come around her and all her Batman cousin she did a try fuck. Cause she's so fucky, she just a fuck everybody. She even want to fuck the guys them that were gay and these kind of things. And one of them, she get some catches and him come back and say, yo, I think this girl gave me something, right? Right, so she addressed that and said, stop blood clot lie like me no fuck Batman, right? What the fuck? She ended it by saying, since you need backup, I better you did go call your stud auntie or your Batman cousin and the drag queen nephew if you come talk for you because you sound stupid. Shut the fuck up. Jesus Christ. Hold on there. So the whole family are lean up one side, you know, my friend. You know the whole family lean up one side. Hold on. A Batman cousin, I how the family they stay so. A Batman cousin, the family have a drag queen nephew, the family have a pedophile brother, it have a stud auntie, it have a mother we are. Yo, Jada, go easy man, easy. And a witch dumping that you put on the intro. The same Christian girl we are sell fuck. Got the outro for Jada song was say, no girl, nowhere, no girl, no dear. Something like that, right? Drake in there, Tory Lanez in there, MASICKA in there, Beanie Man name call in there, Party Fontaine name call in there. 5 man in a this. Listen me man, I'm gonna left this one right here so y'all be the judge this time. You be the judge. Leave your comments in the comment section this time. All me know is war pot get bubbly. Circle them. Yo, this now one y'all. Boom, bang, bang. I be a shootout I go on. Manners and respect to each and everybody tuning in. Uno go on. Talk it up in the comment section. Weigh it up. Let's see who's leading. Let's see who are the real top banger in this. I know for a fact that now that Jada said she is committed to this, she's all in. Fuck it, me not care no more. If you don't stop, me not stop. It's friggin' on right now. Let me tell you something. All kind of something about for go on. See? Why the fuck? Why them never do this right before it's December? So it could have lead up to Sting. Cause I don't really rate Sting, you know. I really don't rate Sting and everybody know that and everybody know why. You see what I say? Right, cause them this my blood clot artist which is Vybz Kartel and from them not fix that and make that right, me not in the Sting something. But if you see them two up on a stage, maybe not a Sting stage, I shouldn't even mention them. Free if Kartel make him come around and we call it Kartel and Friends and have a clash section with Jada Kingdom. With Jada Kingdom and Stefflon Don. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. This is SouFLoTV. Pen and paper vibes. I'm out. Peace.